Yeah.
It's gonna pop. Like, are you?
Wait. Oh my god. Okay, so tomorrow I'm actually going to fly on a trip. Going on a 1 week little holiday trip to see some friends. And I don't really have a video planned for today. And I remember the other day I got a really random package and a little bit of a waste of money. This is my reaction opening it. If you guys are wondering what all the random stuff I buy for videos, this is one of the most random ones. Holy shit. What the hell? What is... This is sick. What the fuck? So yeah, I'm gonna bring something pretty fun to school today. Basically, I have this gym bag, and the only thing inside is a big ass typewriter. I don't see any other way I could use this typewriter. I'll figure something else to do with it. But for now, I'm taking it to school and I'm bringing my big ass camera. I'm right in front of my school. This is so fucking stupid. I really carried this whole ass thing to come use it in class. I think it's mad funny though. The second I sat down, I started getting super nervous because I realized, when the fuck will I have time to pull out this big ass typewriter? And how do I not make this a big deal to distract the class? But when the time finally came for us to do our own thing, I knew it was the perfect time to pull it out.
Outer like shot like following this person who's getting
I'll write it down. I'll write it down.
Like with the train, so we were gonna do like the different area on like the train, and then like filming like them doing like different things, but they're still
You gotta slap it a little hard though. You gotta like press it down. Like, really click it.
This is so weird.
It's so fun though, right? You gotta like hit it.
What is that?
Check this out. You wanna be in a vlog?
Where'd this come from?
Fucking bought it.
You bought it?
Yeah.
A typewriter?
Yeah.
No, right.
Yeah, of course, yeah. You gotta slap it though. Slap it, yep.
Wow.
It's pretty sick, right?
That's pretty cool, yeah.
About to go to my next class. Carry this heavy ass thing again. Oh my god. Shit. What's good? You wanna see? In this class, I actually tried to take notes with a typewriter. I ended up getting busted by the teacher, but the teacher thought it was cool. So I actually ended up using the typewriter to type a message on the assignment.